Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Malescu and I am a Florida Bar Board certified attorney and owner of Malescu Law, a law firm based in Miami, Florida, specializing in business, corporate and US immigration. We can assist you with all your immigration needs regardless of where you plan to go in the United States or where you are currently located. Today we are going to speak about working during your H-1B transfer. But before we get started, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell button or the subscribe button. First of all, if you already have an H-1B visa and you want to change jobs, then you can transfer your H-1B if you've already been selected previously in an H-1B lottery and you otherwise meet all the requirements for the H-1B transfer. However, keep in mind that you cannot do an H-1B transfer if you are currently on a cap-exempt H-1B working for a cap-exempt employer and you are trying to transfer to a cap-subject employer. In that case, you will be required to participate in an H-1B lottery and be selected and have your cap-subject employer file an H-1B petition. Now, going back to working during your H-1B transfer, if you already have a new employer and you are transferring to a new employer, or you have been laid off by your current H-1B employer and you are in your grace period and you have 60 days grace period to find a new employer and transfer your H-1B, then this video is for you, because we are going to discuss in this video what happens, how can you work during your H-1B transfer. So let's say you have a new employer and you are in the process of doing the H-1B visa transfer. Then you have two options. One, you can start working with your new employer, or two, if you're still employed with your current employer on an H-1B visa, then you can continue working for your H-1B employer until the transfer is adjudicated for the new employer. The first situation, start working for your new employer. You can start working for your new employer, but only after the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services has received the H-1B petition filed by the new employer on your behalf, and USCIS must acknowledge the receipt by providing a receipt notice with a receipt number for the H-1B transfer case. Only after you have a receipt notice, you are able to start working for your new employer. To clarify, you will not be able to work for your new employer while your employer is filing a labor condition application at the Department of Labor. Once the Department of Labor approves the labor condition application and your new employer files the H-1B petition on your behalf, and the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services acknowledges the receipt of this H-1B petition by providing a receipt notice, only then you are able to start working for your new employer. And you do not need to wait until the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services adjudicates the H-1B petition in order to begin working. If the Citizenship and Immigration Services approves the petition, then you will just continue working with your new employer. And the second situation we are going to discuss is continuing to work for your current H-1B employer. You can continue to work for your current H-1B employer, of course, if you are still employed there, while your H-1B transfer to the new employer is pending. In this situation, if the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services approves the H-1B transfer petition, then you can start working for your new employer as indicated in the USCIS approval notice for the H-1B transfer. However, if the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services denies the H-1B transfer petition, then you can continue working with your current H-1B employer. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you need to get in touch with us, you have our contact information in this video and below this video. We will see you soon. Bye.